If you're like most Americans, cash is hard to come by. When you join Special Discount Club, you get a membership that will save and make you more money than almost any other club. This program is designed for you. As we grow, your membership becomes more valuable to you and the club. That is why we reward you for getting others to make us strong. Yes, you get paid when you sign others up to join your fantastic club. Along with that, the discount on computers, mortgage services, or legal assistance more than pays for your membership. You may save hundreds to thousands of dollars using your membership discount privileges. Do you realize what you can save on legal services pays for your membership several times over? The mortgage services discount lets you keep more cash for yourself when it comes to refinancing and purchases. The computer discount that Computer Care offers is outstanding and nearly essential. Save when shopping online. WeAreTheStore.com offers members the platform to shop online enjoying both existing discounts and that of their membership to Special Discount Club. Please check it out www.wearethestore.com. Marketing services. A team of experts will help you develop presentations for companies and businesses to market and promote their goods and services to the public. IT services. Focus to provide medium and large-size businesses with everything they need to keep the business online, secure, and running smoothly. Special Discount Club, a division of Asset Innovations Management Incorporated. Has gifts and prizes, vacations, electronic gadgets, jewelry, even a brand new car. Okay, we told you about the discount and how you can save hundreds and thousands of dollars. Now let's talk about the cash earn. The scenario you see on the screen involves you inviting 5 members to join. Then each member you invited gets 5 more to join. This repeats 4 times. When you get someone to join, you get 20% of their membership fee. First level. When they get someone to join, you get 10% of the fee from everyone they get join, which is your second level. When your second level gets others to join, you get 5% of their fee. Your third level. For everyone that third level gets to join, you get 3% of their fee. Your fourth level. Finally, everyone in your fourth level gets join, you get 2% of their fee. That will be your fifth and final level of payout. This is all based on the $99 number fee. So you see, if you got 5 members in 1 week to join, then this whole chart numbers can take place in 6 weeks, no more than 2 months. Very possible. Okay, now let's recap the actual dollar figures that you will earn. In the first week you get the 5 members to join. Then you earn $99. In the second week all 5 members you brought in bring in 5 more members. You earn $247.50. The third week each of those members bring in 5 more members. Then turn $618.75. The fourth week each of those members bring in 5 more members. You then earn $1,856.25. Now on the fifth week each of those bring in 5 more members. For this you earn $6,187.50. You do the math. And you will find that you have earned $9,009 for all 5 levels combined. You paid $99 to join. So now you have added $8,910 to your income. No hard selling, no constant meetings, just saving big money and making bigger money. Think about it, if you repeated this every 2 months, you will make $53,460 a year in extra income. Now you can understand why this discount club is so special. How the club is designed for you. The number one thing that we can use is some relief from the growing cost of living. You need someone on your side to see that you get the breaks you deserve. So, we shop for bargains and acquire sources that will do a quality job at a discount price for our members. The next thing that we can all use is extra cash. That is why give you money for bringing others into the club. We share the wealth. It makes the club stronger, increases our buying power and our discount strength. So we reward you for it. You get paid for word of mouth marketing because you have saved the company money on marketing and acquisition expenses. There you have it. You get discounts. You get cash. You get prizes. So many benefits. Great values. True membership satisfaction. Now that you have seen the presentation, there is more information throughout our website that you can explore. I am sure you can agree that with the information you now have, joining Special Discount Club is a great thing to do. So please join now. We are looking forward to having you as a member.